Bro, how do people become rich? Usually by solving big problems. फ्रेंड्स, आज की इस वीडियो में जैक और माइक दो फ्रेंड्स हैं जो इन्वेस्टमेंट पे बात करते हैं कि कैसे वो रिच बन सकते हैं। तो आप जो है इनकी कम्युनिकेशन को देखिए, हिंदी भी यहाँ पे लिख दी है, जो भी वो वर्ड जो भी सेंटेंस वो बोलेंगे उनकी हिंदी भी यहाँ पे है। तो आप भी अपने जब भी कभी बात करें इन्वेस्टमेंट पे तो ये सेंटेंसेस को आप यूज कर सकते हैं। वीडियो को आप पूरा जरूर देखिए। Then why I am still broke? Because you avoid all problems. I solve problems every day. You solve game levels daily. That still needs strategy, though sadly banks disagree with that. Okay, then what comes first? Skills that people will pay for. Like what kind of skills? Sales, marketing, coding, leadership. That sounds like too many. Rich people learn uncomfortable things. Poor people avoid uncomfortable things. Mostly, yes, including hard growth. So many loves discomfort now. Money follows value and discipline. I have discipline sometimes, though. Sometimes discipline stays poor longer. Wow, that felt personal. Truth often feels personal first. Fine, what about investment then? Invest after income start growing. I wanted easy shortcuts. Honestly, shortcuts usually cut success shorter. Why do you talk wise? Because I made mistakes earlier. So what should I do? Learn one skill deeply first. Then what happens after that? Build income streams slowly upward. And if I fail badly, fail smarter, then restart stronger. Bro, becoming rich sounds hard. Staying broke is harder long term. That line changed everything today. Good. Start working tomorrow morning. Do you like this video? Yes, I like this video. Then like and subscribe the channel. Okay, I will do.